Now.
Away?
Yes.
Marcus, part of me wants to like put on my swimming trunks and just go like dive into it.
Did you take any?
I did. I bring protectors.
You brought swimming stuff?
I did.
I should have made notes. What did you see there?
Look at that huge rail up there. Oh my gosh. That was scary.
Should we go in the water?
Whoa, that's really cold. Yeah.
I think a very important thing to see here is also this, how to say, pizza thingy.
Advertisement, please sponsor.
Yes, please sponsor, yes. Thank you very much. I love pizza. I don't know if you can see, but there's a waterfall there. Very far away. You cannot really zoom in, so
I can see.
I really think the houses are super pretty. What do you think?
Very beautiful.
Right?
Very antique.
Yeah.
Some water fountains. Are you gonna go for a drink?
No, we're not going for it
Okay.
today. Maybe some Saturday. So this is the best place to take pictures at. Who's first? No? No? Okay, Dad's gonna take some pictures. Tell us where we are right now.
In Hallstatt, in Austria.
We're in Hallstatt, okay, Austria. Okay, so what kind of sea is
The Hallstätter See.
Ach so, there's such a, it's a lake, right?
Yes.
I mean, it's so funny because in German they say See, but it's actually a lake, but in English there's sea, and then you're like very confused, is it a sea or a lake? But I'm always confused. Now we can maybe look at the other side. What is the other side? Can you just...
There are the mountains, the church.
This is the church.
Yeah,
Which
one
one?
of two churches. The other one is up there.
Which one is that?
I don't know.
We don't know. But it's a pretty one. This one is prettier with the mountains, you know, behind. It's April, right?
Yeah.
And you can still see snow up there.
And even more up there.
Do you know what is the name of this
No,
mountain top?
no clue.
We have no idea, but that's okay. I'm not from here, so he's also not from here. We're just traveling, you know. Okay, and then our cameraman. Hello. Hello. What's your name?
Phong.
Phong. Where are you from?
I'm from Washington, D.C.
Nice. So what are you doing in Hallstatt?
I am being a tourist and trying to be the best camera guy.
Ooh, I think you're doing great so far.
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön. Oh, where did you learn this from?
A little bit. Markus.
Markus from Markus, yes.
Markus' dad.
And Markus' dad. Hallo. Wie geht es Ihnen heute?
Mir geht's gut.
Gut. Und wie viele Fotos haben Sie schon gemacht?
Ja, eher mehrere.
Oh. Markus's dad is very good photographer. So, where are we going now?
Over there, between the yellow and the white building.
Okay, let's do it. Are we going there?
We're back. We're going up there.
So, we have arrived at another touristic area where you can take a picture with the beautiful church there and a little bit of the lake and of course the beautiful mountains in the background, as you can see. We're gonna spend how many minutes? You said guys already took pictures in like 2-3 minutes or so, and then they said we're gonna take now 15 minutes to take pictures for Katrina. So
Yeah.
that's good. That's what's gonna happen right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Markus, here's the phone. So I'm gonna try not to cover the church. Is this good even? I don't know. I don't know.
Just trying to block the train.
I feel so awkward. Okay, what do? I don't know. I do this. I do some more. Oh, a video. I need a reel. This is Markus and his dad, and we're in the beautiful Hallstatt. I'm gonna be late. I need to also go down. Whoop. So cute. Take care of what you love. Nice. Phong Phong are back at the same place we were earlier today, and he's gonna fill up his water bottle, because that's what you do. You can actually fill up your water bottles when you walk around the city. Very nice, very thoughtful. You like your water? Very nice.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Very good.
So Markus, this is the second stop after Hallstatt. Can you tell us where exactly we are?
Yeah, we're in Mondsee. It's still in Austria. It's like an hour by car from Hallstatt. It's also very nice.
He said it's very nice. What do you guys think? There's a very picturesque view. You can, I don't know, skip rocks if you want to. I'm not gonna do that since I don't want to get my hands dirty. Yeah, that's it. That's about it. Finally getting some food. You have never cut your own pizza?
Well, not with like this. Okay. First time. Are you
First
nervous?
time.
Maybe.
First time cutting his pizza. Wow.
Yes.
So, Markus, tell us where we are now. Königssee, Germany.
Yeah.
There's a ship right behind there, and there's a nice Königssee. Yes, that's about it. That's it.
For 15 or 20 minutes, it's still the same time.
Seriously? Okay. This is the view for free of Königssee. And I didn't even know about this place. I mean, you are standing here, and that's about the view.
In the back you see St. Bartolomeo Old Stone Church.
Nice. Beautiful spring in Königssee, mit Generalm in the background.
Königssee.
Mit
Königssee.
Königssee.
See.
Königssee.
E.
Königssee.
See.
Okay. Don't make fun of me. I think Germany is amazing. There's drinking water everywhere. Okay, I don't know how to do this with the camera. Nice. Okay, we're in a beautiful city with a beautiful bridge and a beautiful river. Wow, pretty! So pretty! And we're gonna take some pictures of this beautiful place. Look at that! Wow, such a pretty church. I actually think it's very loud, so I have to be very, very near. Now we're at our fourth stop. We're now at the I'm so mad at this. Now we're at the fourth stop, which is Ramsau. This is a famous place for the beautiful church that's in my background. You can see the river and the bridge and the beautiful church with the beautiful mountains. The Watzmann is behind it, so that's why it's so famous. Watzmann is the highest peak of Germany, right?
No.
I'm lying. No. Zugspitze is the highest peak of Germany. I kind of knew that, but whatever. I really have no idea what else to say here, so I think you have seen it all right now. We're going for our last stop, which is gonna be Hintersee. Yes, thank you very much for my friend Markus who decided to make this trip, and
Yeah.
me, his dad, and Phong.
The camera guy.
And the camera guy. Getting the camera guy, so this is Phong. Yeah, how are you enjoying this trip so far?
It's so beautiful. I want to drink the water at every location.
How do you like your own trip that you have planned today?
Yeah, it's awesome. Better than expected. The weather is super nice. The first summer day here in Germany.
Did you expect it to be this hot like
No.
today?
No.
No, we were all sweating, right? And
Yeah.
drinking water at every stop. Yes.
Take off half my clothes.
I took off half our clothes, okay. This is our fifth stop, which is next to Hintersee with the free toilets. Very nice.